Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today. Tracy from Acrylic Pouring with Friends started to design and sell her own split cups. Check it out. I was so excited to get one of these. Thank you so much, Tracy. So I am going to try it out with some of the Artist Loft pre-mixed ready to pour paints. I'm going to be pouring over 2 resin coasters that didn't really turn out. And make sure you watch till the end because something really interesting and cool happened. So be sure to watch till the end so you can see that part. So I'm just going to do a jiggle pour, and how I filled my cup was I put just plain titanium white Artist Loft ready to pour paints from Michaels on the 2 outer chambers, and then on the inside I did the old gold and black ready to pour paints by Artist Loft, alternating the colors. So I did black gold black in one chamber and gold black gold in the other. Filled it up about halfway, and I had more than enough to do both of these coasters, so that was perfect. I'm just gonna tilt it and see what we can come up with. I absolutely love the ribbon look that's going on the bottom of that coaster. And on this one I was doing a jiggle pour as well, but it didn't really turn out as pretty as the second one, so I decided I should have stopped right here. I should have stopped adding paint right here, but then I added this second jiggle and I think I messed it up. So I'm gonna tilt it and then go in and do a straight pour with the rest of the paint that's in the split cup here, and it turned out really pretty as well. These paints dry with such a metallic glossy sheen. They're awesome. I love using them. So you can get them at Michael's. I'll link them down below, but they are kind of expensive, especially since Michael's hasn't been coming out with those 40% off coupons anymore. It's like the most you can get is like 20% off. So if you just buy the bottles individually, you can use their 20% off coupon, but I don't know. It's just one of those things where it's like you don't want to be in the store longer than you have to. So it's up to you how you want to do it. They have them online too. So this cup is really awesome. I've been experimenting a lot with it. I think it's really perfect, and it didn't drip at all when I did my tree ring pour, which is awesome. You know how when you're done pouring, you're like, oh, please don't drip, and drop a little drop of paint on your painting. I didn't have any trouble with that. And I think the cup is only about $15, which is really a great price. So I'll be sure to link the cup down below in the description box, and Tracy's channel as well. If you guys aren't subscribed to her, go check out her channel. She does some really beautiful acrylic pouring over there on her channel, Acrylic Pouring with Friends. So here's the wet finish. They are looking really nice. I just love that metallic gold. I'm going to let them dry for a few days, and then I will show you how they look when they're all nice and dry. So here we are, it's about 3 days later, and they dried really nice. Everything stayed put. So what I'll do with these is clear coat them with a top coat of resin and then turn them into coasters. Or I also like to turn these into garden stones. So I'll clear coat them with resin and then drop them off somewhere, a local public place for the painted rock movement. But check out the back of these. You can see, since the coasters were transparent, you can see the paint pour through the coaster. So I thought that was really interesting and fun too. I've never paint poured over transparent coasters before, and I didn't realize that this could be a really fun looking coaster as well. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, leave me a like. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help me out a lot. And be sure to check out Tracy's channel. I'll link it down below and leave it pinned in the comments, so you can just click that and go check out her most recent upload. Thanks again for watching. I hope you guys are all doing good, and I will see you soon for another video. Bye!